question says solve the equation 5 over 3 into 2 minus x minus 1 minus x over 2 minus x equals to 2 over 3. This is our equation involving algebraic fraction. So let me attempt to answer this question. Solution to that: copying the equation 5 over 3 into 2 minus x minus 1 minus x over 2 minus x equals to 2 over 3. What I would do first is to clear fraction. Always solving algebraic fraction, the equation that involves algebraic fraction, what you do first is to clear fraction, because handling fraction is somehow stubborn. So you clear that fraction. How we clear fraction is we multiply each and every term by the LCM of the denominators. So denominators here have 3 into 2 minus x. This denominator is 2 minus x, and this denominator is 3. So the LCM of these three denominators is simply 3 into 2 minus x. So I'm going to multiply each and every term by 3 into 2 minus x. So let me do that. So I have this term 5 over 3 into 2 minus x times 3 into 2 minus x minus this term 1 minus x over 2 minus x multiplied by the LCM 3 into 2 minus x equals to 2 over 3 multiplied by the LCM 3 into 2 minus x. So there I continue. So after the multiplication by the LCM, the denominators will cancel out. I will no longer have denominator at all, so I will reduce it. Instead, algebraic is now simple linear equation. So I will start. So this very first term, 5 over 3 into 2 minus x, this 3 into 2 minus x will cancel 3 into 2 minus x. I'll be left with 5. Let me do that. So next term, 2 minus x will cancel 2 minus x. I'll be left with 3 times this bracket. So I'm going to have 3 into 1 minus x. Moving to the right hand side, 3 will cancel 3. I'll be left with the bracket 2 minus x, then times this 2. So I'm going to have 2 into 2 minus x. So all this reduces to this. So next is to expand the brackets. So 3 will multiply this bracket and this 2 will multiply this. So let me do that. So I'm going to have 5 minus 3 plus 3x, that is this minus 3 into the very first bracket. So 3 minus 3 times 1 is minus 3, and minus 3 times minus x is positive 3x. So I'll expand this also. So 2 times 2, 2 times minus x, that gives answer 4 minus 2x. So collecting like terms, minus 2x shifted to the left hand side, and 5 and 3 move to the right hand side. There gives 3x plus 2x equals to 4 minus 5 plus 3. I continue collecting like terms here. Left hand side will now give answer 5x, and the right hand side 4 minus 5 plus 3, the result is going to be 2. Divide both sides by 5 to get x. There x will now be equals to 2 over 5. So to that I finish answering this very question. Next I will just give you the mark distribution for this question according to the Neco marking scheme. The mark distribution is as follows. The very first mark is bonus 1 mark, and that bonus 1 mark is for getting the LCM of the denominators as 3 into 2 minus x. So getting this LCM gives bonus 1 mark. Next mark is for clearing the fraction. When you are able to clear fraction, there you have this method 1 mark, that is multiplying each and every term by the LCM. Next is for solving up to the last stage, you have method 1 mark, and the last mark is the accuracy mark when your value of x is exactly equals to 2 over 5. So the total marks awarded to this question according to the official Neco marking scheme is 4 good marks.